Now, please do me a favor, click on the share button as you join. Thank you.
Jesus.
So let me play this beautiful piece of music and let's.
Precious Lord, we thank you for giving back our amber land. The chains of pain are broken. We have the promised land. Our Lord, you finally, yes, you are today. You stand to be forever the source of hope and peace for our motherland. A song of praise to God. Defend thy people from hatred, strife, and shame. Arise, arise, and raise the banner of peace. Arise, arise, declare glory is here. Arise, arise, and raise the banner of peace. Arise, arise, declare glory is here. From shore to Akko, the surging waves of Ambas Bay, the rocks and hills of Boya, the heights of Kilum. Freedom, this legacy bequeathed to things, the souls of the forebearers, now hush, repose in peace. For our motherland, a song of praise to God. Defend thy people from hatred, strife, and shame. Arise, arise, and raise the banner of peace. Arise, arise, declare glory is here. Arise, arise, and raise the banner of peace. Arise, arise, declare glory is here.
Yes, I love that beautiful music. So, Papa and Mami, my brothers and my sisters, when I welcome to today's edition of Amber Voice with Mr. Nancho. Yes. For those who already joined me for social media, most especially on Facebook, do me a favor. Bam, bam, for your share button. Just depress your share button as soon as you join. So, for social media, we already reach slightly above 100 people. So, when I know, I'd always tell them, once we get 100 people, we'll start. Anyone will come after, now you know, late comer. So, Papa and Mami, my brothers and sisters, wait to be the agenda for today. We want to talk about some key things for this revolution. When I know as today for our Amazonian revolution, and for this my show, we do always want for focus for the important things for the revolution. Yes, when I say the important things, what I mean that things the way they will take we go forward. That things where they go make we will stay in course. That things where they help we for say we will stay focused on the revolution. We will not lose focus, we will not lose break, we will not miss the direction where they go. You know, that will be those small picking. When I remember those days, they will send you say, go buy bonbon or go buy Maggi. So your auntie did the cook. It's a Mr. Nancho. Take the 50. Run go buy me Maggi. When I know those days, then that picking, if naturally picking, he go wake up say they go buy Maggi. I see they go buy Maggi. He go see friend they play football. If friend them, they play Ndamba. We do know this na Ndamba. Chai. Instead for you for one go buy Maggi with a semi, he say chai. Most of the times, your friend will just call you, hey, now Mr. Nancho, come. Two, jam at him. Before you see, the picking on lost focus for which way will you do, which way they be sending, the original intention for which way they be sending for go do. Now for go buy Maggi, but you know what? Can I don't go reach your road? You don't see people they play football, he join. I see enter start play football, they too sweetie. Before one see, he until they come now Molongo. Some of you don't forget this PG words there. Molongo, Kasingo. Until on boss now Kasingo. I said no me go buy Maggi. What you do for here? A bit. But the problem when the picking get an assorty, he allow himself to be distracted. If you still go buy the Maggi, then he come back, he can play football. Nobody know for worry. But now so some of you don't be now for this revolution. Would it behave like that picking away? They don't lose focus. They don't say we'll get a goal. We don't say we'll go do something. We don't carry reach halfway now. Different distraction don't come. And because some of we might use these terms, say we like overlike football. Just like some people, they overlike quarrel. They like fighting. It be sad for say some people they don't see what happen now for a revolution. It don't become an entertainment show. You know? It don't become something where people use it for entertain themselves. The life will see when the activists come, he gosh. Oh. But the way made the other activists to come, he can gosh. The sad thing about that na say, in as much as it looks so entertaining, but it distract we from the focus, from the real focus. Why we dey for this revolution and why we start this revolution. And that's a problem. That's a problem because now La République it target that right now. La République du Cameroon, our enemy, it be happy for say one revolution not can reach a place where people they fight each other. As a matter of fact, for this show today, I go bring some revelations them, some deep truths them. More than see how na La République instigate all these things that happen for Ambazonian revolution. My brothers and sisters them, my papa and my mommy them. May no man no deceive you so a revolution get problem. Instead, na La République they try to bring in strategies for develop problems amongst us. But as an Ambazonian, what you will get for think or what you get for think. The first thing we get for understand and say Ambazonia and Ambazonians first. Ambazonia and Ambazonians first. Now one of the key things that because if you fail now, if you go for America, you go hear the Americans them that they talk say America and Americans first. You go for any other these developed countries them. They did think of their own. They did think of themselves. They did think of their advantages. They did think for promote their values. Now, either way, most of them, they don't develop strategies and departments. They did exploit other countries. In fact, they did exploit Africa for their own benefit. Why? Because they did think about themselves first. And they don't care. As a matter of fact, they don't care what did happen for the people them. The consequences, no, they don't care. Brothers and sisters, we get to go back to this consciousness. Say Ambazonia and Ambazonians first. And that leads us to some key principles. Now, if you look at, if you scroll for internet, might just use internet as an example. You also say, protecting human dignity. Now, a key factor for recognizing yourself and your own value, even your national value. You see, it be sad to some people they not be aware of the fact that they get a dignity to protect. They get a dignity to protect. Even we as a nation, we have a national dignity to protect. Now, for instance, imagine how the international community look at we. If they see we, most especially for social media, this so-called frontline leader, they use verbal attacks on the other frontline leader for the revolution. This so-called leader, it used some kind of insolent language, brutal, barbaric language against another leader in the revolution. Now, most of the times, these individuals, when they do this thing, they feel say they want to express a certain degree of authority, you know, of dominance. But which they fail to understand as well. They are not respecting our national dignity. Why? Because when the foreigners, the foreign nations, the United Nations, other countries, they look up, what do they think? They look and they say, these guys are not serious. These guys are not serious. Look at what they are doing. Well, it not be a secret. Say, I know, of course, some names, but when I know some so-called frontline leaders, they don't misled a lot of us Ambazonians. Why? Because they fail to understand that it is their responsibility to protect the national dignity. Why they even fail to understand that? Because they fail to understand that they have a personal dignity to protect. They have a personal dignity to protect. And this is a key factor, because if you don't know you have an integrity to respect and protect and a dignity to protect, you do any kind of thing. You go talk anyhow, behave anyhow, respect yourself. But people, when they respect themselves, those who respect themselves, they are cautious about what they say, where they say it, and how they say it. How they say it. My country people them, my papa and my mommy them. La République is planned right now. If we see how we enter this revolution and how we don't propagate this revolution, we don't push this revolution, we don't fight inside this revolution, it not be any doubt. And me, Mr. Nancho, I feel assured when I say we commit great havoc for La République. In fact, we defeat La République big time. Yes, La République don't crumble financially, militarily. They don't crumble. I feel even talk say, thank God say COVID-19 to don't enter, because they say this COVID-19 it did now old people there. I will see say it don't start cleaning the house for La République. It don't start without old papa and mommy the way they think say they don't ever die. Yes. That one the way they feel say they must drink other people their blood so that means they stay alive for long. So the COVID-19, now some good, it didn't say that some nice sickness, because it get a special message and journey or duty. It is now without old people them. You see, well, when I know it I talk, man, not going deep into that. But that one no mean say young people them not going to protect themselves. So man, make the equation balance. We get for protect ourselves. For now that the just join for Facebook. If you don't join for Facebook and you never click on the share button, it means say you be a La République agent. So man, I check what it happen for Facebook. Man, get some few greetings there. Are, he say you are lovely, Clovis. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Terence from say courage, bro. Yes. Might get some few greetings then for Facebook. Might get wait till they happen. Mamba or Mambo say tell them, dear, focus is what we need, not inner fighting. Move ahead. Thank you. Quincy say confirm ahead. Thank you. So might take some few greetings and the next 1 minute they will continue. Jonathan say thank you, my brother. Ahead. Wonderful. Yes. Palvo Young say, hey, Mr. Clovis, ahead. Thank you. Yes, so those who want to join for Facebook, when I click on the share button, you might take some few reactions for Facebook, some few greetings there. Mr. Gilbert talks about the restoration forces must get into high-level guerrilla tactics. Yes, bro, that's a key point. And at least we will talk about them today for this show. That's a key point. We get Wise Man, oh my beloved brother, Minister Silva. He said it's okay on my device. Now, well, he did say some people that complain about the image. So I want to know, is the image okay? Do I have to change the camera? Because I have two cameras right now in the studio connected. So I'll be changing my position or my perspectives. So, Jonathan said, God bless you, Ambazonian. Yes, thank you, bro. One for all for one. Celestine said, watching from Dubai. Wow, my beautiful people from the United Arab Emirates. I love Dubai. I enjoy that on a son. Whenever I come holiday for Dubai, I enjoy that on a son. Now that kind of son filming man Chris. Digna said, Mr. Nanchop, you focus on substance and not insignificant individuals. That's true. Listen, time don't come for do a revolution. We'll get for focus on the substance. The things the way they will take, we go ahead. Yes. The things the way the mold, our values, our strategies, how to forge this revolution ahead. I believe that we don't spend a lot of time, sadly, Ambazonians do not spend a lot of time, money, energy for the wrong things there. For infightings, hearing of lies telling, a lot of silly things then. Division, partitioning, the one say I didn't have the camp, the one say the support na the man. The children didn't say, if you go for park, motor park, you want go village, you know, and you see now only one motor day available. You know the care will be the driver. You fight now for enter. You want just enter the motor, you go for village, go see a mommy or grandmammy, you see. But the problem we'll get in a society, people they don't fail to understand say we get a destiny, we get a destination where they try for go to, where they try to attend to. And now a strategy of La République, because La République right now, it be very happy. First, La République don't be highly punched by Ambazonians. Do a revolution, we don't punch La République. We don't do La République a lot of havoc. For the way where La République, the only means where you don't try to develop them now, to say, make create infightings amongst us in the form of doing what? Buy some people. Give them, you know, conscienceless people. Manipulate them with finance so that they will come, bring in divisive ideas, ideologies, strategies, and situations amongst us. I'm going to bring some examples for this show. So listen, you already just joined me right now. If you say, well, Mr. Nacho never talk my point while life for a year, maybe I become for your point later, so it give you a reason for stay and listen to what we're going to talk about today. Because I want more to be constructive. I want more to be educative. I want more to develop a teachable attitude, you know, for teach ourselves the right things. You know, we focus so much on the wrong things and it make we become wrongdoers. If you focus so much on negative things, you become a negative person. You see. So, fellow Ambazonians, dear televiewers, we not go submit ourselves down to that level where we will bring down our revolution for a degree of insult, infighting, kosh, do me, I do you. No, that's childishness. Let's focus on La République. We will continue to impute pain on La République until our victory be manifested the way we want her. Papa and Mammy there. I talk say the first thing for we to understand and for be conscious of the fact, say, we get for go boya, now for know so we get a dignity as a nation, national dignity and personal dignity for protect. Now, I want to ask all my brothers and my sisters then, we want to get master's degree for Koshinology. Yes, when I say Koshinology, we understand what I mean. For Kosh, for insult. I mean people who get doctorate degree for framing up of stories, for defamation of character. Because while revolution not come to that level where some people they don't focus now for defend character, lies telling, insult, manipulation. And they call them say doctors because they get doctorate degree. See, and it's sure sometimes so when I look some people they talk, mostly some activists then, and they shock the lies. Because it is show for me, see these people them, they get a mastery of lies telling. But I ask myself this question. How will that take us to where? If they be free to do all this their propaganda against La République, it will be not some good thing. Now, people already promote all those things, support them, push them, which way they fail for understand say that they indirectly promote the will of La République. That they indirectly promote the will of La République. Listen, my brothers and my sisters then, not to know the way La République want right now, than for say we fight ourselves, or Chakara there among us. Problem there among us. No, now the thing La République want right now. La République want right now, but say do an interim government and the institution they will not set them up where they give with that identity as a separate nation. It want to make it Chakara because one, for example, the interim government, La République will fight hard for do all things for scatter the interim government. When I see some of these individuals where they come every day, that they bring up different ideas, different thoughts for pull down the interim government and the leadership. Now, La République strategies in that. Yes, because once you pull down this institution of the interim government, La République don't get anybody for dialogue with. Because we don't declare say we'll be a separate nation. We don't restore our independence. And now, we fight for defend that independence. We'll get these institutions. The international community look at me. I'm talking about the national dignity right now. we get this dignity for protect them. The international community, they look at we. They want to see how serious we be. The United Nations, they look at we. They want to see how serious we be. La République and some of the agents, they do hope one thing. They do hope say they fit play mago with we. They play hide and seek. They play delay tactics. Then they sponsor some sell-outs them amongst us for create confusion, for create a situation where some people their heart will be weakened, they will become discouraged. You see, then now in a long run, La République now will come look and say, oh, we don't be discouraged, we heart don't be weakened, and then there's some individuals them they will look and say, Massa, this thing don't stay, oh, people don't over die. More just go take some kind of special status or some kind of more just go settle for some kind of federation with La République. At least it's better. So that we know just get something, we know lost all thing. You don't understand the strategy. Now they are planning that. Now what should they think? So if you hear about the Swiss dialogue, La République still play delay tactics. He accept the Swiss dialogue. But he pull back. Then he hope say by some means they go send their soldiers the more, they go kill our people the more, they go commit a lot of pain, impute, they'll do this impunity, this pain, they will put them for our people and for more. So that our people will become weak, they'll become disheartened, our people will give up. Then now when they come now, some of you they will not go be discouraged to say yes, more just accept the special status, more just accept the federation. And that is strategy where La République they try to do. But one thing they fail for understand as well, you know, we Ambazonians we get enough patience. If our patience finish, we go put perseverance. Yes. If our perseverance finish, we go put long suffering. Yes. If our long suffering finish, we go put endurance. So for now, we still be patient with the wait. So may La République they understand say no matter what they want to do, no matter what strategy they want to do, we Ambazonians them. Now our unanimous and collective duty for show La République say no gymnastic, no manipulation, no strategy the way they go use and where go discourage we Ambazonians them, where go cause we for being weakened. Because nothing that they try to do right now. So that they will continue for deceive the international community. See, why you think La République they try for one organize one meeting to another? Firstly, they start with a national dialogue for gain time because they don't want to go for any international podium. La République is greatest fear now the interim government of Ambazonia. Since listen, when Sisiko Ayok Tabe, you see and the rest them, they will turn around, they will do this, that diplomacy moves them and the rest. La République will just laugh. They be just laugh. They say, ah. So when they see Sisiko Ayok Tabe, it come. The speech will be make am. I think at end of year, if I'm not mistaken, for end of year speech 2017, for 31st of December, when they see Sisiko Ayok Tabe, it makes speech. They hear what we talk. They see how focused these people they be. Then they get the ideology. Say these people they don't make an interim government. See, even France, they be shake. La République start shiver. You know, they start shake. They say wahala dey. They say wahala dey. Now things on the back. They look and say this is something serious. So they quickly develop a plan. You know, for see how they will quench that. They will quench that. Which will be their plan. Their intention be as well. When they capture Sisiko Ayok Tabe and the other leaders, when they hold them, it will create fear and despair. It will create an atmosphere where people they will fear, they go shade in. Ambazonians they go fear, they go squeeze in. So now La République will use that brutality now. You know, if we just calm we down, then they will just can make some 1 or 2 decrees. Like Apobed always done. We don't create a committee of bilingualism. We don't create a this and that. Now their original plan that. But when they do it backfire. When they can say after that, the resilience of the Ambazonian people will be so strong. Now, get my words. I said the Ambazonian people. We the Ambazonians. I'm talking about the people. I'm not talking about any leader. You see, there was no frontline leader. La Republic État can be just then now some frontline leader. Because if the leadership before quench the revolution, if the leadership before derail and destroy the revolution, when they be Cash, Sisiko Ayok Tabe, and all these were other good brains, them lawyers, them barristers, them good people, Paata Sang and the rest of them be cash them, our revolution would die. If our revolution be based now on some individuals, it would die. But because our revolution not be based on some individuals, our revolution not be a leadership base, it be na the people base. Get my words clearly, brothers and sisters. People base, resilience base, the will of the people. Now they forge the revolution. I want to understand something. Even if they try to they cash our leaders when they get on today, I want to tell our brothers and sisters, our revolution no go die because of what was resilience, was strongness, was steadfastness. So now La Republic don't wise. La Republic no wise. They need to go after the leaders them again now. No, brothers and sisters, La Republic don't wise. They don't want to go after the leaders them. Wait till La Republic don't say another sweaty. He said the people there be so strong. Now, if you read the Bible in the book of Genesis, I think chapter 13, if I'm not mistaken, or 11. Now the Bible says the people for the world, they will be so united, they will be so decisive, they will be so determined, then they will speak one language. One language. So they come together. They say, Mo build a tower. We will call and say Tower of Babel. Many tower goes to take a reach for heaven. You see, they're people. They're people. They come together. They decide on something. They decide on a plan. They decide on an agenda. They decide on a will. They say, Mo will do something together. Now the Bible says, and God descended down to see what they were doing. And when God, the Spirit of God came down, he looked at the people. He made a conclusion. He said, these people are one. They speak the same language. And they are decisive. They are determined. God said, if I don't do something against that, they will build which way they want to, and whatsoever they desire to do, they shall do it. You see the strategy. So now the Bible says God caused a division among the people. It caused a division, and that division led to the point where they became separate languages. Now what I understand now from there will originate in these separate languages. You get Mbaso, you get Bamungi, you get Bakwere, you get Bafut. All these different languages in the world, they originated from the days of the Tower of Babel. But I want to draw attention for one thing. The unity of the people, the resilience of the people, the will of the people. It been at a target where you get to kill them for separate the people. So anytime we say determine people, the easiest way for derail them now for bring disunity among them. Create confusion. Create until where they will talk different languages. Do one go to talk A, do one to talk B, do one to talk C, just like it did for a revolution. You see, in those days, time will be so determined. So, La Republic, they just say when they capture the leaders, they take them, go, they destroy them, or they do what you want to have. The people they go weak. But when they can say the people they be more resilient, they be more determined. Another leaders will be emerge. So La Republic don't wise. They look and say if they go after the leaders, new leaders they go emerge. If they go after the leaders, new leaders they go emerge. So what we go do according to La Republic? What shall we do to kill down the resilience of these people? How can we go about it? So they sat together with their masters, France, China, and those who are supporting them with weapons and malicious strategies. They said, okay, what we'll go do now in this, we'll go amongst the people, pay some people with huge sum of money, create confusion, chakara their language. The one go the thing the way, the one the thing the way, the one the thing the way. We go pay some activists there, make them can create confusion. May they get as target the institution of Ambazonia, the interim government, because up to today, now the biggest thing that will La Republic de fear, the interim government. Because listen, now you have an interim government of Ambazonia. you get the government of La République du Cameroon. Now, it shows that in two separate entities. It shows that La République now not take decision over these people because they don't test. Don't forget, La République don't test them. They don't test the power of the interim government. You see now, what I see sometimes when the interim government give order, then they give order. They can discover and say when they give order, the order of the people of the interim government it overshadow their order. So they look and say this interim government of the people of Ambazonia, it get a strong influence. So the best way for kill that influence, now for kill that institution, for destroy that institution, for bring them down. So La République is not after the leadership nowadays. Listen, La République is not after Dr. Sako. La République is not after Ayabacho. La République is not after, call the rest you know. They are not after them. La République is after us, the people, because they know certainty. If they catch Ayabacho today, they catch Dr. Sako, they catch whosoever be, they know say new leaders that will emerge from the people. So the easiest way for kill the Ambazonia revolution, according to La République, now for do it, for kill the spirit of the people, discourage the people, create a situation where the people their heart go weak. You know, they will become discouraged. They don't support the revolution again. Some they will confuse. Despair go be, chakara go be, disunity go be. By that doing, the revolution, now people they will start weak. Their heart will start weak. People they will fall. Their heart will go, you know, confusion go over big. And they don't succeed. Brothers and sisters, I can confirm to you, say, La République don't succeed with this strategy. They don't succeed. How and why? Because if you see, La République don't sponsor some activism for the revolution. They don't sponsor some individuals them. They don't give them the chance for propagate and push this their will against the revolution. Now, whatever you see, say, many Ambazonians them, they don't be weakened. Some they don't be discouraged. And remember in the beginning of this revolution, how our spirit will be united, how people will be the fight, how unity be there, how will be the fight. But look at the revolution right now. People don't be discouraged. Now the strategy of La République. Now I'm telling you something. When I see all this attack on leaderships, attack on individuals, you see this defamation of characters. People when they do that thing there, that the secret agents of La République them amongst us. Now I'll give an example. For those who they sit down, I'm showing us something. I'm showing us something. Ask yourself the question. I want to play a video. When I'm not saying do my thing. I want to play a video. I want me una judge for the video. Me una judge, brothers and sisters. Me una judge whether it be normal for say would hear the kind of thing among us. I want to ask you a question. Me una tell me whether it be normal. Whether any Ambazonian for right senses will ever talk or do this kind of thing. Una give me a second. Okay. I'm going to play something now. I'm going to put it on the screen. Okay, I got it. Thank you. So, when I take when I chop Christmas.
Let me not say it live on show. Let me say that on show. I'll say it on audio. I'm saying that on show because I want my name and words to be matched. I have said, if you put Chris Anu and Pombia and I have a gun with one bullet, what I will do, I will gun down Chris Anu first. That bullet and deal with Pombia later. Because he's a chase manipulator. He's a chase liar. He's the one who has.
Now, I want to understand something. Ambazonians say, "Mo will not be too naive. We will not fit think. I will not fit judge." The person who come up for tongue now so will know him na Mark Barata. Ma to say na our brother Mark Barata in quote. Yeah, now our brother Mark Barata. All we not know say Pobia. It don't kill our people. We not say we dey in the situation we dey right now because of Pobia and that's evil La République. That an individual will believe. When I hear you talk, for people when I know me, when I miss a repeat them. Mark Berata, one of our brothers, he said, if he get gone when I want catch you inside, when I put Chris Anu, when I put Pobia, he said he go shoot Chris Anu first. What did that mean? This is an expression of hatred, deep in-depth hatred. He said go kill Chris and they live pobia. Brothers and sisters, what did that one mean? For you when you watch me now, the reason. What information you think about that? When you hear an individual, it talks so. It go that far for express that kind of hatred. So it go kill an Ambazonian. They better left pobia. You see which side some of these people they don't take we go. When I see which side the manipulation for La Republic don't take we go, it don't create amongst us a lot of hatred, bitterness, wickedness, where individuals are being willing and ready for kill their brothers and better the left pobia. Can you imagine? Now I'm buzzing and they talk so. Now, when I hear statements like this, I categorize them as statements of ignorance. Statements of ignorance. When I hear an individual like this to talk, Mark Berata of all, one of our brothers who don't see, don't work for the revolution, we don't clap for you, we don't support you. When we hear you express this kind of hatred, think about a normal lay Ambazonia where he look the kind of person like a public figure, where he look the kind of person like a public figure, like a leader, a head. What he think? It generate inside you an atmosphere of doubt, discouragement. Think for that mommy for village when he hear the kind of talk, he shake you say, oh, my pikin they don't start fight against themselves. Because any normal Ambazonia, even me, if I get a opportunity now, where even though Pobia will not say, but if I get an opportunity now, even at Tanganji put up, I go first kill you. Finui. You see? But if I don't look at the other ways, I will better kill an Ambazonian in the state of Pobia. Brothers and sisters, this is a problem. And why are they addressing this issue now? Because this thing don't creep into our revolution silently like slow poison. And it generate hatred and wickedness in the hearts of many Ambazonians. Where it cause our revolution to go derail. It go out of plan. But I make a statement and say, when I not fail for understand one thing. What are the serious things there? La République no day after the leadership. La République day after our institutions. La République day after the foundation. When I make who they get this legal identity, say we are Ambazonians. So La République is planning for doing for destroy this institution. For instance, the interim government. Now, whatever they will forge their ways. Now, for discourage the Ambazonian people, because when they get we for that position where we don't become discouraged, we know the fund our revolution again, we know the support the revolution as we ought to do. It will become now for a particular place where they hope say we go weak, while resilience go weak. Now their military go kill our fighters them. Then at the long run, some people then go look and say, Maza, this thing they so where people don't over die. More just give up. More just yes. Then now La République will take advantage of that. The United Nations, they will take advantage of that. France, they will take advantage of that. They will come in and they say, okay, let's solve the issue. They will bring special status. They will bring federation. The question I want to ask you when you watch right now. 20,000 people for Ambazonia, they begin to die so that me will go back for federation or me will go for special status. Ask yourself that question. I hear the other day they said they don't make 90 billion or how many billion for go reconstruct their so-called northwest and southwest. So they began to first burn the whole their so-called northwest and southwest, burn the villages, burn mommy and papa them, burn Peking them, kill people, then come wake up with their so-called strategies. So they want to throw away small chicken change. So they want to reconstruct Wesi. When they go reconstruct Cham, they don't get road inside Douala. They don't get water inside Douala. They don't get road and water inside Yaoundé. They say they want to construct Ambazonia. We don't want them. Like public agents, Antaranji, and the rest. Your plans against Ambazonia. We are not ignorant of your plans. Listen, I want to talk to you guys, La République du Cameroon. We, the Ambazonian people, we are not ignorant of your mischievous plans and devices. We are not ignorant of your mischievous, devilish, satanic strategies. You've been using the divide and rule strategy for so long. We, the Ambazonian people, we say no. We are not ignorant of that child's play. You see. So, you can use your money to be paying cheap activists. use your money to deceive some people, buy them, try to give them the possibility or push them to come and create some disruption, confusion, hatred and infighting amongst us. But as from today, I, Mr. Nancho, representing the Ambazonian youth and the Ambazonian people, I have a message for you. You have failed. You cannot instigate hatred amongst us. You cannot deceive us to fight ourselves. We the Ambazonian people, we have a dignity to preserve. We have a national dignity to preserve. We are people of goodwill. We love ourselves and we are resilient people. So we will fight you even until the last man standing. So keep wasting your time and money, hoping that we will become discouraged. We will give up. No. 1,000 times no. Don't forget, you thought about this. This is the strategy what you thought about 4 years ago. You thought, oh, don't worry, there are 2 cubes of sugar. We will just manipulate them. We will use our armies to crush them, to destroy them. I want to tell you something. It has been 4 years. And I want to assure you that we have not yet and will not yet show any signs of giving up. We never even started, but we haven't yet started. Because you are the one coming into our territory to kill our people. You see. And you call it a war. It's not a war because you are perpetrating genocide. You are killing our people. You go beyond your jurisdiction to act wrongfully. By the time we will start executing the war, and the meaning of war is you hit me, I hit you. You attack me, I attack you. Now you are just attacking us and we are doing mere self-defense. Now I want you to understand, Yaoundé, Etudi, that we the people of Ambazonia, we are not aiming or thinking, we are not even reflecting on giving up soon. No. You thought when you catch the Naira 10 we will give up. No. Ataranji and the rest, I want you to understand that we have decided that we will fight. We will fight. And we will fight until we have our nation Ambazonia. We will fight. And to the international community, for those of you who are partaking in this silly game of La Republique. Now, what I want to say is this. That's why I say the international community is failing. Because if they keep believing in these lies of La Republique, because what La Republique has told them and is telling them is, we have the situation under control, things are okay, we have a plan, we know what we are doing. This is the 4th year. If the international community had intervened in the first year of this crisis, at least if they had implemented strategies like crisis prevention strategies, we shouldn't be here. The situation wouldn't have gone this worse. But because the international community keep believing the lies of dictator Biya, they keep believing the lies of La République du Cameroun, that they have the situation under control, that they know what they are doing, that they are in charge. That's why things are going out of hands. You see. So, and I want the international community to understand that so long as they keep believing the lies of dictator Biya and La République du Cameroun, the situation will never get better. It will never get better. In fact, we know that there are 3 levels of they call it the comparative, the superlative. For now, I know English, when I get that first station, they call and say bad. Then we'll get worse, then we'll get worse. So, and then I believe so we'll get the 4th stage. The 4th stage. What would you call them for pidgin? Say nya. So 2016 the situation will already be bad. 2017 the situation enter worse. 2018 the situation enter worst. Then 2019 can reach the situation done nya. As the situation done nya right now, when you don't nya, it means there is no hope for remedy. There is no hope to fix it again. You see. So for those of you or agents of La République, those who are deceiving themselves to think that we the Ambazonian people, we can somehow accept a kind of federation, we can somehow accept a kind of special status, you are still dreaming. Seriously, you are dreaming. When I need to live inside reality, you are not living in the reality of times because we are far gone beyond that. And there is nothing. There is no way the international community or La République du Cameroun can convince us, can force us can pressurize us to accept federation with La République du Cameroon or a kind of special status. Question number one, what happened to the first federation we had with La République du Cameroon? For those of you who are still dreaming that we should go in for some kind of special status or federation, what happened to the first federation, the federal system we had? So they be deceive we, they spoil them, and then the teacher will be fools today for still can't believe that nonsense. No. So I want to give this special message, my brothers and sisters. La République is plan not be against our leaders them. La République is plan for quench our resilience, for quench our heart, for discourage we. Okay, imagine some activism. We'll be here about my trip to Buea, my trip to Buea, my trip to Buea. Okay, we'll talk about my trip to Buea so they can do edits. After the auditing don't be done, people they still sing my trip to Buea, my trip to Buea. Hey, this one thief, this one not thief. So how they don't come out with a new idea? No, the idea of interim government be done wrong. Seriously. When I see what I try to tell now they plan that for La République because some people that think say when they sing about my trip to Buea so much, Ambazonians will become discouraged. They know they contribute again. Now when they don't start contribute again, it means something. While boys them for ground zero, they know be empowered again. They know they get way to where they want time, and when they don't get way to where they want time, they'll start give up. They'll start run. We shall say La République don't go develop camps the way it talks say if he receive fighters the way they want desert from the Ambazonian armed force. You see fighters the way they feel run away from the Ambazonian armed force. Not be by mistake they do those things. They don't go for Bamenda, they don't make them, they don't go for Mboya, they don't put them, they don't develop centers. Now, we get activists where they don't take the responsibility for the call fighters tell them say they go for that camps. Why? When I ask yourself say why? Ambazonians, let's be wise. Ask yourself say why? Now because La République du hope say when they do these things in a long run, what fighters by the way, when they are surrogates they propagate and they propel this agenda of La République. Me what people not contribute, may they not support the revolution. So what people will become discouraged. What fighters they will become discouraged. Now, La République get other sets of workers away. They are working now for the call the fighters and discourage them. Then they say they must say that they suffer. Maybe they better go join, La République camp. So they can gather all the boys and then they will eliminate them. When they do when they don't gather them in their masses, they eliminate them. Now, you start say many people their heart will become weak. You see, even the one where they want to join the fight, their heart will become weak. Now they plan that for La République. Now you go make away one revolution go did that, and then they will keep the be quiet. They don't go for any international mediation. They don't go now. Wait to where France don't advise them. La République don't be wise now. Say they don't feel win militarily. Listen. France don't tell and say, listen, as a dinner, so we not feel win these guys militarily. We not going for use another strategy. So La République do want gain time, use another strategy for duty, bring in a surrogates them amongst us, deceive them. May they can deceive we the Ambazonian people them, so that we will become weak, we will become disheartened. Now, I want to talk for something. I talk about respecting the dignity and the national dignity of Ambazonia. Brothers and sisters, if you look at revolutionaries, they don't be inside the wall. And battles the way they don't be inside the wall. For example, look like South Sudan and other countries the way they don't gain their independence, then they don't get problem. One of the things the way they give room into that now when individuals they start get control over soldiers them. Or they start get soldiers then. See, the ideology say camps and soldiers them, they got to be loyal to individuals them. Now a devilish idea for this revolution. Now a satanic La République idea for this revolution. For instance, ADF. Which way they try to do? For manifest dominance. The idea said soldiers them, they got to belong to certain groups or individuals. It be totally wrong. I might explain. And I'm trying to say, now La République is strategy than this because they get plan A and plan B and plan C. When soldiers them for ground zero and made this go for my brother them for ground zero, most especially what fighters them want to understand the plan and why it be wrong for when I submit under certain individuals, because if we so can get we already see right now, we see and say some camps then go fight another camp there. Some individuals then want to take autocratic decision then for determine. Okay, for instance, just of recent, I don't know what I get that video. I might play that video more here. I don't get them now on the screen. I never load them up because when I hear some individuals at the top, where I about show talk just of recent, where they threaten for kill funds them, kill leaders them, talk how you go deal with them. Now you see the problem. Now say, imagine so all the fighters them they be fight under their county, they fight under their LGA. Fighter picking when come out for village. Imagine say villagers and they don't send their boys and they don't form army for protect that village. That villagers by no means the figure talk say they want fight for kill their fund, except their fund they work with La Republic for sell them out. But in most cases, we know say most of our funds them when them get these boys away they fight for protect them. They go instead they support these boys. We don't see some funds them that they give these boys them blessing. That they bless these boys them. The danger way then I say when some of these boys them they submit to individuals. If we can't get independence tomorrow, and the individuals they say I said they not be in position where they be in power and control. Now they'll become a great danger to the people because people in La Republic of France, they can give these individuals them money, give them weapons, them, give them militia, manipulate them. You know, this power mongering spirit now, an evil spirit where it will plague the Amazonian revolution. Individuals they want to see themselves right now say they must be in position of dominance or power, without which the revolution get to die. Amazonians, this is dangerous. Because when this individual and them they show with this demonstration, it show we say their real cause and aim when they fight for the revolution, not be for free the people. How? If not, tell me how a so-called leader of the people will kind of threaten for kill the people, threaten for kill the funds and the chiefs. You know the even shame for talking for a public media. Oh boy, it disgrace we as Amazonians. You see, these individuals they don't get a personal dignity to protect because something in the way you don't even talk as a leader for social media. You go to shame because the international community they watch you. Now, if United Nations they shouldn't, they hear that kind of talk. International powers they shouldn't, they hear that kind of talk. What do they think about we Amazonians? You should say these individuals they sell our birthright, they disgrace we. They make the international community to get a poor image of us because they think say, well, if we step in, we help the people there, they go worse past South Sudan. Say that they fight for kill themselves. Say that they fight for destroy themselves. See they kind of talk with it, they talk no. Now exactly which the way La Republic want them because now they kind of image the way La Republic they take go give them for international community. See them, they're not ready to be a people. So they're not ready because these individuals amongst us, now a shame. See, Amazonians, listening. On a normal circumstance, I mean, when everything being equal, on a normal, rational circumstance, individuals or people where they call themselves leaders, where they make those kind of utterances in public, you understand? They begin to be behind bars. They begin to be in chain because they disgrace us as a nation. And it is shocked me say an individual he not be so conscious of the fact that he get a dignity to protect and he get a national dignity to protect. He come openly to make those kind of statements. Brothers and sisters, it disgrace we as a people. And the most silly thing about all this now say some of us Amazonians will not see a problem with that. See, for sure for the international community so we get that maturity for become an independent people. When an individual or a so-called frontline leader can make that kind of mess up, we the people, I'm coming back to my topic, the people, because we are talking about the power and the will of the people. If we the people, we go out there, we debunk that leader in our masses, and the international community, they say, we don't rise up as a people for debunk that, for detest that. It is show our maturity. It is show say we'll be ripe for be a people. We know what is justice. We know what is democracy. We know what is right. But if they see some of us with the like them, with the share up, with the fight amongst ourselves for justify that dirty, they just look and say, no. These people are not serious. And that's exactly the kind of thing that La Republic wanted. If not, why are you Tabe go one for rule we for jail? And you get activists when they know the shame for can represent that ideology. You just say international community door. You just say the door. They know very well say if these people they be serious, they don't allow themselves to be ruled for jail. They know. But they see with the fight amongst ourselves. They even see some so-called activism that they can propagate the agenda. Then they see some ambassadors that they watch them, that they support them, that they like them. They look and say, oh, these people are foolish. National dignity. National dignity. We get to come up to that consciousness so we get a national dignity for protect. We get a national dignity as a people for protect. I don't talk about these groups. I see a problem when forces them, they start belongs to groups. Instead, I look and say this county by county, local government by local government area thing, it be the best. See, for instance, more address the issue happen for Guzang, the issue happen for Bui. Who they get ADF fighters them, they fight with Bui warriors, or this thing they happen for Guzang, these rivals, this revenge. You know, the simple solution, now so see, dissolve all these individual group soldiers, make all them go for their county, and you'll see people will not be. Because if you get people where they call themselves to be Bui warriors, they fight for Bui, and they be led by the people for Bui, they don't go hurt their own people. Excuse me, I come out for Fako. How go I do hurt my own papa and mommy them for Fako? No, which man they, which soldier they will go and hurt your own papa and mommy them for village? Which soldier? If you be say you get some one soldier one do the rest they go pick it, the discipline. So may any man protect a territory, any man protect a village, any man protect a county. But when I say one ADF, they want to go demonstrate their own power and violence for some other territory. Of course, they fight at them for that territory. Then they look at like a provocation. They say, I there for my house. If you imagine, you there for your house. So man come up. No more think. Amazon more think. You there for your house, for your compound. So different man come up for your compound, come up for your compound. One can demonstrate power and them naturally your ego will be puffed. You go out for fight back, and it lead to a clash. And at the thing that we get for this revolution, because we get the kind of situation where the fighters and they clash against each other. Why? Simply because people don't want to orientate back to their counties, and because we get individuals where they want to say they must be in power, they must control fighters. Okay, for instance, I hear an activist the other day. In the talker, he go send me to go destroy some individual in Mami and the papa. He said he go send me to go kill that person in Mami, kill the papa, burn their house. Brothers and sisters, ask yourself this question: one revolution don't be na say more they fight now for so they send fighters and they go kill people. Normally, no pro-independent fighter go ever want for say may go burn Ambazonian person in house. No one. Now only rebels in Duam. And that rebels why? Now those where they don't give their allegiance to individuals or to certain groups. They don't give their allegiance to individuals or to certain groups. Now why the way they feel take that kind of work upon themselves for go perform the ill wills or satisfy the desires of these individuals. You see the problem? And that's a big problem. Now some big problem that for this revolution. So one of the things we're going to do now, all of us Ambazonians, we're going to dissolve all these so-called group armies, them, group soldiers, them, kill them totally. We're going to look that ideology, going to die inside Ambazonia. If we want peace and if we want focus, because if Headmaster fight for a country, if La Republic they can for Fako fighters they go fight them. If they come for Bui, if they come for this, they fighters them for day. They come for Lady Alem, they fighters them for day. They go fight them. But when I was say we're about to go against La Republic, their focus go be against La Republic. Now we don't get a focus of dominance. The one show say now you get the territory. The one show say now the control for the area. So if one do enough to fight the other fighters them, so that mean I ain't be in charge. It's be sad, brothers and sisters. So the easiest way to solve this problem, listen. The two way they shock me. When ADF them, they go for Bui, they go commit havoc. You see even picking them for Bui where they support ADF. They just say, oh yes, may happen. They question what apps all now when I come all for Bui. If ADF and Bui warriors are the fight, the first two I fail for understand and say, now Ambazonia the fight against Ambazonia. National dignity. Now Ambazonia the fight against Ambazonia. Now Tina when I fail for understand. Number two, imagine say you come out for Bui. You do support ADF. Then the ADF fighters them, where they be comprised of other fighters them from different areas them, they go kill your brother them for Bui. One thing you fail for understand and say they be kill your own people. So indirectly you dey kill yourself, we dey kill ourselves, we dey impute pain on ourselves, brothers and sisters. Is that not stupidity? Is that not stupidity? Then we go come for social media, we dey fight, we dey insult ourselves, oh, we dey divide ourselves, do one dey talk like all those surrogacy where it be based on lies telling. For instance, they be tell we say the reason why they go kill Chacha now because say Chacha he don't kill General Efang. That's what they tell we. They tell we say IG don't deceive Chacha. Chacha don't kill Efang. Okay, plenty people that me believe that narrative. So now when I get that video, if not I go play am. Where they should down the talk something, may they go key, may they go attack. I mean Tapa have the talker. No, they must kill Chacha. They must kill Chacha. Chacha must die. You see, and then what you can say and so they go kill Chacha. 2-3 weeks after, we see Efang there alive. We not see the problem. Guys, brothers and sisters, we not see the problem. So we see and say the first question we get for ask yourself, now which man be bring that lie say General Efang don't die, say na IG don't kill him. Now the same person be use them as a revenge for somebody they go kill Chacha. Maybe the person will do that thing. If you want just bring a situation where ambassadors they go believe, they go vex with each other, they go get confusion amongst each other, they start fight, then they go kill Chacha for use them as a justification for that act. Una see that? Now La Republique he planned that. If you not be saying that La Republique he plan, when I tell me which person fit be for right senses where they fight for Ambazonian revolution, where they propagate that kind of thing. My brothers and my sisters, enough is enough. For so long, we don't fight against ourselves wrongly. We don't kill ourselves wrongly because of lies telling. Because we follow individualism, activism. Time don't reach, we get for oriented back to the base, to our counties, to our local government areas, to avoid all these problems. Yes, the advantage is if we are there on a county, we are there on a local government areas. Now who they choose our leaders them? Now who they choose who they control we? Now who they choose people that they control our fighters them? So no that some person go we can't just say now he must control. No, now we would choose, would vote, would elect. By so doing, would create a situation of harmony, an atmosphere of peace, and an atmosphere of direction. Now all this kidnapping no going to be amongst us because if you want be, we will know who they do. My brothers and sisters, we get a national dignity to preserve. We get a national dignity to preserve. I'll come back on that topic. I said to avoid future problems, we get to avoid these two-way groups and the B soldiers then the B for support the individual groups. We get to avoid that. Now, I want to talk about some key things where I think it's be very important for you to understand. Now, my brothers and my sisters there, my papa and mommy there, I play with some small video. Me wanna laugh small. I want to show you some small video when I will laugh. And then I will ask a question for Facebook. So when I'm there for Facebook, those who want to join, when I click on the share button. If you never click on the share button, and I want to look this small video I want to put on screen. They want to tell me, for people who like football, those who like Ndamba, soccer. When I look this video I want to play, they want to tell me what to be wrong for the video. I will read when I answer for social media. When I tell me what to be wrong for the video. Oh yeah, regardez.
Go bora. Ah, ref.
Country people, For now, I don't look at maybe when I don't understand what happen with it. I want play again. I want when I watch your Facebook. When I tell me what to be wrong for the video. When I look and fine. When I tell me what to be wrong before I make my presentation on that. So my read when I answer for Facebook.
Go bola. Ref.
Okay. Papa and mommy, them brothers and sisters. Welcome to today's edition of Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop. Now, me I be on a picky way. It go stand no tuna until we get to Boya. Yes, we go stand together. We go fight La Republic together. And we go win together. Papa and mommy, them. I want to know when I not be shaking. Listen, we don't already win the battle. La Republic, the war in a worry. Yes, Mr. Nanchop talks say we don't already win this battle. La Republic, the worry, na worry. So for those already joining for social media, especially for Facebook, if you never click on the share button, you'll be urgent for La Republic. And me know so you know go dream Matango or get to Ambazonia. Yes. So, ma look wait way when they respond for social media. Aha, Gary ho say goalkeeper cash ball. Take an interpol. So, ma you kuna answer. Yes. Amber Wilson, it's already some score for Bakpo. He said the boy in the red scored in their own pool. Aha, Eyamba. You don't answer with the real talk. Yes. But it's the past person a woman the answer. Who say all the man picking in day? I said, all my parliament they not playing daba. Man play that video again. I want to see when I tell me what to be wrong for the video. When I look at fine. Now look at that.
Go bola. Ref.
If you not see that video, watch your player. When I don't see a goalkeeper, he catch ball. Because the goalkeeper mumu, because he don't understand the rules of the game. Because the goalkeeper, he don't understand the rules of soccer, of football, of ndamba. He catch ball, he take a raw enter a pole. If now for a good tournament, now we call it for German say Eigentor, means own goal. Don't score for yourself. You say, du hast gerade ein Eigentor geschossen. Now German that what I talk so. It means say, you don't score for your own pole. But why? That player be do that kind of thing because he don't understand the rules of the game. Brothers and sisters, many of we Ambazonians will not understand the rules of a revolution. Will not understand the rules of this game or the inside. And we discover for our own poor plenty. Mostly if I look at social media, sometimes I cry. I'll cut an example. Ambazonians will gather, will donate money for my trip to Boya. Ambazonians will donate money for my trip to Boya. We will do it because one support our interim government, one support a project. Yesterday, I can get a video some person sent of me or an audio, I think so. When some activists for this revolution, it threaten the Ambazonian people and say, it get the names of all the donors it go publish them for social media. Ambazonians, I want to understand something. People and they be donate for this revolution and then donate anonymously. They donate, they know what made their name be sure. People and they donate and they still donate for support the revolution. If you did for this revolution as an activist or as an individual, once if it push you for that level where you go use hatred, if maybe so you been a wish man, you been a devil, and you don't understand the rules of the game, you go threaten Ambazonians, you go take their names and can publish them for social media. Ambazonian, they would stay for one man country. For my own small book, where I learn them, I be there for university. We learn something for university, you can say, Datenschutz. We call them for German, say Datenschutz. It means say data privacy. Protection of data privacy. Once you learn them from my own small book what I learned for university. And I say, if you breach people their privacy, mostly when it concerns data privacy, you go at least 7 years in prison. Now some people, they don't look we Ambazonians so be fools. They don't place an insult for our institution and for we Ambazonians. They think that they fit do anything, anyhow, anytime. Ambazonians are foolish. So Ambazonians, they don't fit do nothing. That's what they think. Say, because Ambazonians are foolish, they fit do anything, anyhow, anytime. Ambazonians do not do them nothing. Some of these individuals, if we don't get our country, believe me, they will be under underground prison. We call it treason. Treason. Because people they just do things nowadays for the revolution. And they ask myself, say, why did they do it? Why? What will be their purpose? What will be their aim? Now for hot Ambazonians. And now for make Ambazonians become discouraged. You see, firstly, my tell you something. For the white man country all day, Papa and Mommy, them, brothers and sisters, them, I want to tell you something. I beg, una take this serious now. Una take this serious. Now, for those who they join, they never share, una share the link. For the white man country all day, except now for some individuals, them, some mumu, some villageois, them, where they just come out from village, they don't know the principles for white man country. They don't know how white man country they operate. Be it America, Europe, Asia, for the Western world, you need to play with people their data. Secondly, you know if you ever call a bank or you go for bank, you talk for the bank, say, give me the account details for Mr. A or for Mr. B. Then the bank will just go, oh, okay, who be you? Oh, you be this man. Oh, you be CEO. Okay, take him. Now the account details is for the person. They didn't do it. That's stupidity. So person who can't deceive with mama and papa. Say, he don't go for some bank. They don't go give information about some people them, about this and that. That's stupidity. Lies telling. That one the highest level of madness. Okay, we're not there for Ganzero. Go for bank. If we're in a local bank, then for Ganzero. Go to say, I want, give me the account records and details for Paul BI account or for Jove Mondoze account or for this person. If you are picking, they need to do it. They need to do it. No bank need to do that nonsense. So for an individual for can claim for we say he don't go to some bank, he get proof from that bank don't give details and information. Now just mere propaganda. Listen, I don't tell you say La Republique is strategy no for the revolution. They know say they don't feel quench, they don't feel kill the leadership, they don't feel cash our leaders them. Now they want create a situation, they want create an instance where Ambazonians, the people, they will become discouraged. Now, La Republique be aware say we get a lot of people where they contribute for the revolution. And it be aware say you get people where they put their money for the revolution, for support the revolution. And it know say by so doing, it make our boys and for Ganzero that they get where they want them. The weapons, the necessity, the popcorn, the sugar cane, the granite. And it make them difficult for you to win this battle or our boys them militarily. La Republique no. They don't try out for 4 years. They don't feel succeed. So they don't look and say the only way where they fit do. France don't advise and say, listen, get some activists, corrupt them, give them money, make them propel this agenda, make them go, defame the characters of the leaders, attack the personalities of the individuals there, then create a situation of fear, most especially for the donors, because they hope say when they kind of activists they can't talk so. People where they contribute money now, mostly those where they contribute money privately, where they fear say, they know why may they know their name, may they see their face, they support the revolution privately. They will say, hey, the person get the kind of information. Oh, let me say my name today. I need to give money again. No, I need to pay money again. I need to support the revolution again. I don't command me that the moment I made it. By so doing, our institution them, they go lack money. Our counties them, they go lack money for support our brother them for Ganzero. Hence, our brother them, they'll become weak because they don't get the materials them. So, La Republique now go get an upper hand for the battle. And in the long run, they will win the battle. When I don't forget, La Republique they play a delay tactics for this revolution. Then you hope say they fit just delay with the prolong the war, the delay with the key what people then. Then they get some of their activists where they go give them money, they will can't discourage we. Wahad will become weak, will become slack. They will not go support the revolution. Then the revolution will spoil. Now La Republic planned that. Brothers and sisters, they deceive themselves. Now, when they kind of activists, they can't talk that kind of thing. Firstly, I want to understand something. Now, lie. It not be possible for this Western world for an individual to go for bank, go to say me the give bank statement for some transaction. It not be possible except na he be a signatory for that bank account. Except it be a signatory for that bank account. So there are two things here. This claim when the individual they make out, logically taken, it be wrong and it be false. It not get nothing to present. Listen, I think God should don't affirm some names and write some names there. Can't put a shop with and say, oh, na names and this support that don't also for create a situation for fear. So this person in charge will do the thing because they want to create a situation for fear. When people will start fear now, they're not going to support the country they get, they know they contribute. You see, I'm saying that the sacred agenda that for La Republic. Papa, mommy, them when I wise me. Now the devil begin in this way, the day among us. The Judas Iscariot them. When they want to kill our revolution, La Republic, they use them for destroy our revolution. And they don't give their self to that. Secondly, if it be say these individuals that they both say they get any data, if of true they get any data, then if it only be nasewity, na that their cabal, when I not forget say, you get for the Tabanya, we be the financial secretary. And we know say Tabanya be go give this activist there sensitive document for my trip to Boya and sensitive document for Plan B. Now Plan B be then our program will be the plan for take La Republic by surprise. Or they begin for supply with a lot of materials for destroy La Republic. So Tabanya Brado Echo. Because it be the fear say if Dr. Sako execute this Plan B, it go be now say the credit go in at Dr. Sako and the interim government under Dr. Sako, where be sitting an acting president under Sisiko. Then the glory go now for Dr. Sako. Now say be the thing. So it go back, go signal La Republic, and then sell out that plan. Now why that way? If he go take those private documents and go give for a countryman, a country brother, a activist brother, a pope, then he can take and put them for social media. And they talk about those who do not understand the strategy of the game. When I look the king again, when I look up.
Go bola.
You see the goalkeeper, when I see foolish goalkeeper. Then you hurt we Ambazonians them. Willingly, they score for their own pool. They don't know. Now, when you go cost a player, if not that, there are two things. Either the player, if imagine you say goalkeeper, when they play football, goalkeeper, he catch ball, he take a enter pool. Like how they want to take a so. Then the other team get point, they win game. Two things there. Either that goalkeeper not understand, he be so ignorant and stupid when you don't understand the game of you don't understand the rules of that game, or if they do and so because you don't take money for the other team for make the other team win. Now two things there. Either he be so stupid when you don't understand the rules of the game. Now why they score for your own pool, or you don't take money for the other team for score for your own pool, make the other team win. Those are the two logical conclusions where I fit think am. You don't understand me? So why would you tell us that some of these activists and their actions they tell with their intentions and wait to where they plan for do? Because you know what you do for Ambazonia, you do all the kind of thing for hurt the Ambazonia people. And then if Tabanyang Echo Brado be there for Ambazonia, then if they were financial secretary, when Sisiko be put it, and we be get all this claim about my trip to where wait to be passive for come do auditing. Bring all the receipts and the records for face the auditors. Inside take those documents them, and they go give a brother a poem. A poem they can't take them, put them for social media. Now, if at all a poem get people them don't know their names them, then not only Tabanyang Brado feed don't give it. I wanna say in the show when I say this cabal and these individuals them that the enemies of Ambazonia them because I don't want to say Now, La Republique is strategy that because the one who can say, when they can't do the kind of thing, it will create fear for some donors they had. Mostly those way they don't want to show themselves out. Now, so they know if he contribute again or for donate. But my turn on something, brothers and sisters. My turn on something. My turn on something, papa and mommy. Brothers and sisters, we will not go give up. La Republique, the worry now worry. Listen, Mr. Nacho don't tell us say La Republique is the worry now worry. The activism, the worry now worry. But we no shaking, brothers and sisters. Papa, mommy, no shaking. If you there with some man in the corner where the watch show now, tap that man, give high five. Say, pa, mommy, no shaking. Man, La Republique do anything they want to do. They will come meet away for Swiss dialogue. They will come meet away for United Nations table. Yes. Yes, we no go shake. No shaking. No shaking. Man, they bribe all activism. Man, they catch all our leaders. They may they put them for Koningi. Brothers and sisters, you and me, papa and mommy, you and me, we go stand. We go be resilient. We go fight. And we go win. We don't chop fire. Say, we shall not give up. We will not stop. We will fight. Brothers and sisters, we will fight. We will fight until victory comes. La Republique, you the worry, now worry. You the worry, now worry. Papa and mommy them, other activism that they come up today, when I look at and when I start talk, I get a long list. I never even go half of my topic what I explain on today. I never go half of my topic. But I want to round up because of my brother, Prince J.K., they come up after me. They come up small time. And I don't want to take much of Prince J.K. time. Because after Prince J.K., Secretary Chris Anu to the camp. After Secretary Chris Anu, Enrico Akaba, that was young Pedika into the camp for talk. So the program this weekend be packed. But I want to understand something, Papa and Mommy. For my round up, I want to know one thing before I round up today. My name na Mr. Nanchop. I want to show one thing. While revolution dey on track, we no fail. Na lie. Me no man no deceive una say we go fail. Na lie. Na lie. I mean no activists no deceive una say e get una document them, una private names them, donors their name, the other thing and trash. No bank for Europe, for America, no fit do that kind of thing. And if any bank fit do that kind of thing, I challenge you. I challenge that activist or whosoever that kind of individual be. Make and talk for good English. Say, I have these documents, I got them from the Bank of America or from this bank. You say, tell me, say, the bank workers, they gave it to you on this day. Talk for good English. If you be say, if you justify such, may talk for English. If you be saying a true say, it get that kind of document, may talk for English. When you talk for English, then we'll see how in 3 months' time, it will feel breathe fresh air. Any man fit talk, any La Republique agent fit just go take money for can create confusion and fight. And what are they do? That's what they do. For the insult people, create lifestyle, create confusion among Ambazonians, create a situation where Ambazonians they go fear. Now they want to attack the donors them because the strategy behind this thing is for attack Ambazonians and their donors them. People that they support the country, people that they support the revolution financially, may they feel say they will publish their name, they will fear and say they don't want to do them again. By so doing, our revolution will start being lacking. I want to understand it. Now La Republique is strategy them. Now La Republique is strategy them. So, but Papa and Mommy them, I'm going to understand say, our revolution they on track. Our revolution they on track. The question why they ask now, what ask now? If some person come for social media, they crush others them, crush people them, threaten and Ambazonians them, threaten people them, he go kill people them and meet them. Do one at this, do one at this, do one this. How that kind of thing could lead our evolution ahead? If person can't say, he get names of people that be donate for my trip to Buya. If he vex, he put them for social media. Ask yourself the question. I mean, any normal Ambazonian, ask yourself the question. How that kind of thing will take we go Buya? Okay, if he can take that kind of thing and put them for social media, how it will take we as a nation for go Buya? No, instead, that kind of thing, you see individually do that kind of thing. It won't create a situation where La Republique them. I don't want to say they put in a La Republique agent on a year. Papa and Mommy them. When would I start believe you at the talk? When? The people in a La Republique agent. See, Jesus said, no, all my way they call me Lord, Lord, go enter heaven. Forget that kind of thing. Someone who can shoot up for social media. They say, Abi Amazonia, Papa, Mami, you go use sweet talk, you go rap talk. Listen, God are those days when you use words. Your action speaks. Even when I know, I would just say for pigeon, say action, they speak louder than work. If you can't talk, but your action them, they be against the revolution. It shows you be an agent of the Republic. You be an enemy of the revolution. So for Eric Tato, Tapang Ivo, Mark Berata, for Candy Shidon, the develop mischievous plans. They say they want to go kill our fighters. Fighter them will die. A plan for Mark Berata, the talker, he go kill Chris Anu. If they put Pobia and Chris Anu, he go better kill Chris Anu. Eric Tato, the wake up, the talker, he don't go for bank them, he don't go take name them for people the way that they contribute for the revolution. He will put them. Why? I should answer the question. How would that take us to Buea? I don't tell you the secret agenda. The secret agenda in Asweti. These guys are working for La Republique. The strategy where La Republique the can do in Asweti. La Republique want a situation where people will be discouraged. They want to kill our revolution. And they want to kill and have create confusion amongst us. And they succeed partially. They succeed because you still get some individuals where they still listen to people and they believe their lies. They believe their manipulation them. They fail for understand so we get a national dignity to protect. Where if I look my agenda for today, I begin 3 things to talk about. I begin to talk about, excuse me, let me check it out. Give me a second. I'm rounding up so that Prince J.K. can take over. I'm rounding up so that Prince J.K. can take over. Now, I come up tomorrow, Amazonia, and I just will continue for which I end today. And then I get a special guest tomorrow. Wonja Mbua, who I know you. I'll bring you up tomorrow. On a one-on-one, it's an interview, and I get for question, you get for answer a lot of questions there. So Papa and Mami there, when I prepare on a question, then when I feel call, I don't want to say for the revolution, I don't come for clear up the light. So the things that I never feel talk today, what I put up for my agenda, I will shift them tomorrow. Excuse me. I will shift them tomorrow because of time. I want to give Prince J.K. also a chance. Make you talk for Papa and Mami them. I don't want to take plenty of time. So Papa and Mami them, I don't try for talking about the secret agenda for La Republique. We don't talk about the secret agenda. We don't talk about the dignity who will get them for protect. And of course, tomorrow I will talk about revolutionary challenges and the things and the measures that we will get for take up for protecting our revolution. When I don't forget, I don't tell you, my name is Mr. Nancho, and I be the big brother for the revolution. We don't get the petty activism. They do me, I do you. Curse me, I curse you. You box me, I box you. I'm Mr. Nancho. I respect my people. I respect Ambazonian too much. I know take down our revolution for that level. You know, people they do a lot of character deformation, talk lies, talk some kind of thing them. Those things will not take us to Buea. I will always come up with this kind of plans, this kind of topics. We will learn or know the plans of La Republique, expose them, then re-strategize on how to continue for win this battle. So I want to thank you for today, for now to watch me for Facebook. I want to thank my papa and my mami them, my brothers and my sisters them. For now I still get 3 minutes. No, I might not go and not take call. I might take 1 or 2 calls them. I beg. I know I still get 9 minutes. I want 5:30 if I'm Bazonia. No, 5:21. So I want to make sure say by 5:29 I finish so that Prince J.K. will take over from this. So I take 1 or 2 calls them. For now, when I get Amber voice number, when I get Mr. Nanchop number, I'll take 2 calls. 2 calls. So the first 2 callers, I'll take when I call. The first 2 callers, I'll take when I call.
Ramagade, legede, oh, Rabosatala, Brosagade, Lika Brazandala, Jesus. Papa God, intervene for we, do for we, as you do for the Israelites. The way who they suffer, in the life so you don't forget we. Papa God, intervene for we. Orphans are crying, widows are are crying. Fatherless children are crying. The less privileged are crying. Oh, may we pray. Oh, may we pray. Oh, Northwest and Southwest, when I come together, may we pray. Oh, prayer is a key. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, may we pray. 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 Prayer is a key. Hey, Jesus. Killing every day. We are killing ourselves. Every day now, bum, 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 bum. Every time now, to, 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 to. Oh, we don't tire. Father, fight for us. According to your word in Exodus 14:14, it says you will arise and fight for us, and we will all be so. Papa, give us victory. If you go for Munyenge, everybody then are for bush. Munyenge no they exist, no. Again, no. You go for Papa. Oh, houses they don't burn them down. We'll be red down.
Hold on, let me connect this, sir. Hold on.
Hey, yeah. You go for a corner. They did broke now.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanshop. Who is speaking, please?
Etongwe from Switzerland.
Hello, Comrade Etongwe. Welcome, Pa. How for you know?
Are they? So, yeah, a very good presentation today. So, I just want a small contribution. One of the things I would like make you do not say, make the work, you wanna work behind the scenes. I mean, you the activism wanna get those connections and with, especially with our fighters, or maybe defense chiefs them, may they work behind the scenes. Defense chiefs of the various counties, and they work behind the scenes, you know, for prevent infiltration of our heroic fighters, you know, because they are the ones who are keeping this revolution going, because they are defending homeland, and we are proud of them. So that's where our defense are.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very important. So I hope there are measures. They have taken good measures, you know, to prevent all this infiltration. Infiltration of like calling of fighters to go and kill other fighters, or to try to make them drop their arms, all those kind of things.
Okay,
so,
wait till then I say, Pa. Listen. Time don't pass for the revolution where we talk about even put do something. Listen, when you talk about power to the people, I believe, sir. Okay, I don't know. You come out for which county, for instance?
Kumba.
Okay, come out for Meme County, Kumba local government area.
Yeah.
And man, this will be K Town, man. You know your parliament for K Town. You know, guy the way you feel support them for the revolution and they enter, they will fight. Na la talk.
No.
Okay, imagine say you be active inside K Town local government area. Una get una team, una the control, una fight them. Una know how una the giro una money. Una the contribute una money, una the give una brother, una parliament they for down for fight. You know, so I say it could be a good way for continue the whole thing, because now una K Town boys, una feel una group that say K Town Amber K Town, for example. When now they control that area and when they control the whole of Meme, you go say,
Yeah. Just what you're saying is what I'm saying. You understand?
Yeah.
I try to talk. I mean, in the sense, the defense chief for Kumba LGA, it gave for make now it gave for prevent infiltration. I don't mean to any person.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. You be asking for Kumba LGA.
No.
Be honest, just be honest.
You know, I mean, active like not obviously I contribute, but I not be active in that.
But
way.
okay, now when I one of the problem now, I know I may feel bad. I know I may feel bad. My brother would definitely have to learn and would then have to become better. All of us as a country and as a people. One of the problem why they say, some of us will not be active for our local government area. What will be active? Active not mean say you must go fight. But if once a week when the game meeting na 1 hour, or na every 14 days when the game meeting for 1 hour, concerns them they come up. If we hear say Chakara there for Bui, Chakara there for Kumba, for that meeting when I feel addresser. Now, personally, you the way you talk, I know so you be an educated Ambazonian because I trust my brothers them, Ambazonians them. They've been a wonderful people and intelligent people. Imagine as you talk now, so if you be there inside Kumba LGA, you're there for meeting. And then, when I show up for meeting, when I identify the problem there, and then you make this kind of contribution for Kumba LGA. You know, so I say, go hella for push for a revolution ahead. The problem we'll get and I say, some individuals they don't deceive, we say, more give money now for them, more support na their idea, then they push you back for our LGA, and hence, our revolution they be lacking. Because these individuals, they don't get an autonomy of knowledge. All of we as individuals, collectively, our ideas and knowledge go help we for propagate this revolution. So at the problem where I stand and I say, we the Ambazonians would fair for play a role, mostly we there for diaspora, would fair for play a key role for say will not belong to our LGAs. I will not be actively active.
No, you stress that point. It's a very good point. So in other words, each of us, we forget concerns. We go to participate in the LGAs.
Thank you.
Raise those concerns there. No, I get the point. I get it.
And that's why I'm making this show. To educate our people to see the essence and the importance of orientating back to our local government areas. Because now, what you just said, Pa, you are very intelligent. I don't know you personally, but what you are saying, you sound to me as an intelligent Ambazonian, and I'm proud of you. But now, the point is, your intelligence will not be of any help to us if you don't put it in practice, if you don't bring it when we need it, like now that we are doing our nation building.
Yeah.
So, my advice would be, identify the local government area from where you are. If you think like you have an idea for the defense team, go and call them. It's your right. But brother, if you are contributing to your local government area, your voice must be heard.
Yeah.
You go back and tell them, listen, Pa, we got this problem, Mr. Kumba. How can we do it? This is my idea. What are the challenges? Okay, for me, I am from Fako, and we have Buea local government area. I sit with my people of Fako and Buea, and I tell them, listen, this nonsense, we must strategize, we must talk, and we will talk about the challenges. And then I be informed about the challenges of the fighters. I be informed about the challenges of the guys. Then I give my own idea for the defense team, and then they take them, they go try for implement them. By so doing, I say I improve the revolution.
Yeah, thanks, Conrad. That's just what I was trying to, you just elaborated on what I was trying to say. So thank you for that.
Thank you, Papa.
That's my contribution here.
Thank you, sir, for calling. Thank you.
God bless.
Same to you, bro. So, my country people there, I be promised I will take 2 calls, but I don't take 1 call, and I will leave, and so I will be live again tomorrow, 5 o'clock. All the days I will come live. 5 o'clock, I will be tomorrow. So, Papa and Mommy there, when I see the importance for go back for a local government area, my brothers and my sisters, most especially those them for diaspora, when I see them, do a wonderful brother don't call, you don't try to bring a suggestion, and all who don't come back, we say, you shouldn't be my brother will agree. We agree say the best thing we go solve all this problem, and we go make our revolution continue, go ahead. Make all man start find a local government area and a county, a contact. When I start register, when I become a member, because all county, all local government area them, they get their WhatsApp groups them, they get their meeting days them. So if you know they attend that meeting, that means you be like a problem for the revolution. You be like a public agent. My 11 so more go join Prince JK. Thank you now. See you guys tomorrow. Enjoy this piece of I call it music or waiting. Well, might just close them up because since Prince JK already did live, we'll go this straight. Thank you, Papa and Mommy there. See you guys tomorrow, 5 p.m. Amber time. With me.